Linux with hands-on. What else? Command scenario, CI/CD. Okay, beautiful. So let me put the pen tab for you. I have to write some things. Hands-on. What else? Okay, I have to write some things for you. So just give me 1 second. Okay, I am surprised by all of your attendance. Yesterday's attendance was also good. I'm thinking that today's attendance will also be good, right? By the time maybe we start actual hands-on, right? People will join slowly because today is Sunday. Many of you will be traveling here and there, right? So let me just check. Okay, great. Let's start the class. Okay. So I see that the attendance is good. The slots are full. So those who are not able to join the session, right? So I'm just checking like how many are still waiting, right? Okay, done. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. Time is now very, very good. Okay, so let's roll out some things for you. And very interestingly, today we will touch base on very important and interesting concepts, which probably will will make your brain braining. Okay, so yesterday, I believe all of you have loved the class. Okay, and I have received a very, very good feedback, by the way, right? So many of you have commented, many of you have tagged on LinkedIn, right? So I'm very much happy. So let's start today's class. Today's class, you will understand about CI/CD plus integration plus Linux. Is it clear? Right? What you get today? Today, we will touch base on CI/CD with the integration of tools and the combination of Linux. Yesterday, you have seen the base component was a Linux system. And on top of that, I'm going to build my DevOps stack. Are you all clear? Right? So today I'm going to build the DevOps stack. So Samir, my screen is shared. Let me once again check if my screen is shared. Yes, my screen is shared, brother. Please check from your end, right? Okay, Vinayak is also telling, yes, I'm sharing my screen. Guys, are you able to see my screen where I'm writing with black pen? Yes, right. How many of you are facing issue that screen? Please check. I will once again stop it. I will once again share my entire screen. Now you check. Now, what is the status? Tell them to update the Zoom. Okay, please check from your end. Yes, able to see all of you? Okay, good. Right, now it's visible. Now all of you see here, let's start with some DevOps tools. Like yesterday, you would have seen that we have discussed about Jenkins. We have discussed like we were talking about SonarQube, we were talking about Maven, we were talking about JFrog, we were talking about Ansible, we were talking about Kubernetes, we were talking about Terraform, we were talking about AWS, GCP, Azure, and very, very large tool set in DevOps. Now, I already told you that these all tool stack are actually deployed on Linux systems or Linux platforms predominantly. Yes? Yes or no? Mostly in any company, all of you listen, when I was working in Walmart, okay, I was working under a team called supply chain. When I was working in Walmart, my beside team was called as transportation team. Please listen carefully. I'm telling now I will be taking you to the real-time example. With this example, we will start our day. Okay. Please see here. Which team I was in? I was with the supply chain team, supply chain DevOps and SRE team. Okay. Similarly, there was another team, another pillar called transportation. Similarly, there was one more pillar called item and inventory. Okay. Let's assume for a clear understanding, there were three teams, team 1, team 2, and team 3. Every team had 5 to 8 DevOps engineers. Okay. And every team had 10 to 12 developers. Okay. 10 to 12 developers. Now you tell me one thing. What can be the applications under supply chain? Any idea? What can be applications? Let's say all of you are from India, right? In India, DMart is there. So can I say supply chain for DMart? What do you think? When I talk about supply chain, what the things will come? Correct? Procurement will come because I need to make my supply chain good. Vendor management will come. Beautiful. What else application you would have assumed here under supply chain? Tell application names I am asking. See, one is procurement application, microservice architecture. One is vendor management application. Inventory is coming here. Okay. Inventory, there is a separate team where people will manage items and inventory. What else? Okay. Logistics will come under transportation. Logistics applications. What else? Shipping. Shipping will come here also. Here also. Correct. What else will come? Enterprise resource planning. Can I talk about under transportation? Can I have a GPS tracker? GPS tracking application where my buses are going, what load it is carrying, how much quantity of goods it is carrying, because some people may take in between some items, correct? So can I say GPS tracking for vehicles, one application? Can I say item and inventory, tracking of items in the bus, one application? Correct. What else I can have? What else I can have? The items, vendor management, security, shipping, procurement. What else I can have? Demand forecasting. Okay, where we will keep it? I think demand forecasting, we will keep it under item and inventory. Demand forecasting. Okay, one last application I want from you guys. Foreman planning. What else? I'm looking for application names. Supplier relationship management. That comes under vendor management only. Billing. Okay, beautiful. Billing will come in the item and inventory. Correct? Billing will come under item and inventory. So I will have billing. Now, all of you see here, how many microservices or how many applications we were able to design under each pillar? 1, 2, 3 applications under supply chain, right? Item, logistics, shipping, GPS tracking, 3 applications under transportation. And how many here? 1, 2, 3, 3 under item and inventory. Now, how many microservices in total we have? Guys, are you able to understand how I am taking the step-by-step process for building the CI/CD pipeline? How many applications? Beautiful. 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I am a DevOps engineer for supply chain. I am going to support only these three applications. You are able to understand? Can I go up? Are you all writing? Are you all writing? Pulkit, दिमाग में ये सोच लो कि डीमार्ट में आप जा रहे हो कुछ सामान खरीदने, राइट? यू आर गोइंग टू डीमार्ट टू बाय सम थिंग्स. हाउ द आइटम्स आर कमिंग टू डीमार्ट? Via bus or via truck. In the truck, what items are there? Correct? The GPS tracking applications, procurement applications, vendor management applications, item and inventory management, logistics management. ये सब चीजें एप्लीकेशंस है. आप डीमार्ट में जाओगे, बिलिंग, करेक्ट? तो हमने बिलिंग एप्लीकेशन भी यहाँ पे दिया है, कहीं पे दिया है, राइट? Somewhere we have added billing. Yeah, I think here, correct? Billing also we have added. Please write down. From here, we will design our CI/CD pipeline. Okay. Everyone write it. Yes, I can wait. Please write it. This is a real-time example. Okay. It is a real-time example. So please write down in your notebook. Okay, little bit up. Because if I make up and down, that circles will be gone. So I'm just keeping the same screen. Okay. Now all of you tell me. Okay. Now all of you see here. So under each pillar, we were having some applications, correct? We were having three microservice, three microservice, three microservice. Now, this three services, the code has to be placed somewhere, correct? The code has to be placed somewhere. Can I call that as GitHub? Walmart is using GitHub only. Okay. Walmart tech stack. If you search in Google, GitHub it is using. Okay. So can I tell that under GitHub, I will have a parent folder. Beautifully, I'm going to explain you everything real time only. Under GitHub, I am going to have my organization folder called supply chain. Under organization folder, I will have three subfolders. What were there? Procurement, vendor management, and shipping. Are you able to understand, guys, how beautifully we are crafting the CI/CD pipeline design? In any organization, this is how the things will flow. And you will be damn 100% sure, amazed to see how we are designing the complete architecture today based on this base of application. Everyone clear till here? Then I will move ahead, because from here, the complete flow will be like bigger, bigger. It will be becoming bigger. So if you are writing now notes, if possible, please write it like this. See, you are writing like this, na? Please write like this. Okay. Please make like this so that you design the complete flow with me in this format. Able to understand, guys, everyone? Clear, right? Write like this. Don't write like this. If you write like this, the flow will be very beautiful, like the execution flow. Okay, right. Shall I start? I'll drink some water. Okay, done. Tarun, you can just see from here. Okay, right. All of you see here. Now from here, the actual strategy works. Okay. So can I say in GitHub, I have created a branch and I have kept my code. Okay. This is branch 1 for this project. This is branch 2 for this project. And this is branch 3 for this project. So how many branches I have, guys? Where I am keeping my code. Okay, 3 branches. So till now, what we have understood, we have taken a GitHub repository. We have created 3 repos for my project. We have created 3 branches for my project. And these 3 branches are going to divide or play a major role for me. Now, all of you write down the topic as branching strategy. Okay, so I will be telling you different kinds of branches. These are basic branches, but we have main branch, feature branch, release branch, hotfix branch, branching strategy in DevOps. Okay, and feature release hotfix main developer branch. Okay, branching strategy in DevOps or GitHub. How many branches are there? How many branches are there? I will tell you the sequence. 1, this is 2, huh? This is 3, this is 4. You can say like 5. Okay. Now, tell me one thing. How many environments are there where I'm going to deploy my application? Dev, QA, UAT, prod. Correct? Some people called UAT as stage, QA as QE, or testing stage and all. Now, all of you tell me, very beautiful, one developer, right? The developer started writing the code. He first tested his code in the dev environment of Jenkins. Then that was pushed to QA environment of Jenkins, then the UAT environment, and finally deployed to prod, where you are able to access the website www.heydevops.in, or in the tablet in your phone, www.heydevops.in. Are you able to understand, guys? How many environments are there? UAT is called user acceptance testing. What is this? I will tell you. First, understand the branches. I will make it little bit small so that you can write it. How many branches we have? All of you tell me. How many branches we have? 5. Correct. We have 5 branches. Now, in this 5 branch, the main branch which you are seeing, we can consider as a production branch. Okay. So what I will do is, I will give an arrow mark to production. Okay. The next branch is feature branch, where I will map it to the UAT environment. The next branch is release branch. Again, I can map to the UAT environment. Hotfix branch, I will map it to production. Developer branch, I will map it to dev. There is one more branch you can consider like a test branch or testing branch, which I will map to the testing stage. So what have you understood? Yes, Anjali, correct. Pre-prod is UAT. Okay. So guys, what have you understood with this? If your brain is thinking properly, every branch has an environment to deploy the code. Am I correct? Am I making sense? Every code is designed as per the environment and requirement. Let's say client says, I want a feature. I want a production deployment. Which branch you will take? Okay, for production, which branch you will take? Master and main branch both are same. Master or main for production, correct? Now, let's say today I am creating a feature, means 10 minutes delivery in Flipkart or 10 minutes delivery in Amazon. That is a feature, the main feature. Under that feature, the subtasks will be there. Correct? Delivery, 10 minutes delivery. These are like a design of an application. Okay. Now, what is a release branch? Anytime you want to test your features or test your items or test your code, you go with release. Like I'm doing release 1.1, which has 5 features for me or 3 features. Multiple features combined together. 10 minutes delivery, map, GPS, and something is like a release. You are releasing this new year UI with changes today night. So we call release. What is hotfix? Any idea what is this hot fix? Hot fix. Everything is hot. It means if in production any issues comes, the developer create a hot fix branch. They will fix the issue, again do the testing, again do the deployment in production. It's like a patch. Hot fix is nothing but a patch to code. Clear? Why release? Okay, please write feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. Multiple features together take place in one release. Clear? Or one feature also you can do as a release. Make sense, everyone? Now, tell me, is it sounds interesting to you from where we started? We are slowly understanding the GitHub branching strategy, and we are slowly going into the CI/CD concept now. Yes? All of you are able to understand what I'm talking? Clear? Yes, it's a general process in every company where we follow these all things. Now, we will try to understand, once you have understood the branching strategy, which is in GitHub, and there were 3 repositories, and I will have developer branch 1 because I am a developer branch 2, developer. Okay, you want me to scroll up? Guys, are you writing with me? Yeah, please write it. Please write it. Okay, how many of you, those who are working, are using the same process? Can you tell me? I have opened the chat for everyone. Let's understand. Like the same concepts, are you guys using? Janni is using in her company, like in her project. What about others? Same? What about others? Rizwan, same. Raghav, same. Almost all same. Minute changes will be there. Yes? Beautiful, guys. Okay, so almost like 10, 15 people are there who are telling same. So freshers, have you understood what is the importance of you getting teached under me? Yes? Clear? Deepika, Akshata, are you freshers? Vivek, are you guys freshers? Sri Soumyan, Vivek, Suryakant, Satyam. Okay, you all are freshers. Okay, no issues. Right. Now, all of you, now let's go to the deeper investigation of a CI/CD pipeline. Okay, ready? Yes. Now, all of you see here, the deeper investigation of a CI/CD pipeline. Let's start it. The GitHub is the basic component of a DevOps system Please write down like this only, how I am writing. Then the Jenkins comes into picture. Then the Kubernetes comes into picture. Then the cloud comes into picture. Then the SRE comes into picture. Then the support comes into picture. Right? Divya, developer writes the code, DevOps engineer creates the pipelines and all those things. Okay. Now, once you have written this diagram, we will focus more this part. All of you clear? Shall I start it? Can I start it? Yes. I hope you are writing down notes along with me, right? And if you find interesting, you can share on LinkedIn today. Yes, you can tag me on LinkedIn today also if you are liking the class. Yeah, you are taking screenshot, Vijay, right? Now, all of you see here, this Jenkins is very powerful, guys. You want me to scroll up? Guys, I cannot do always scroll up for you. Please write along with me. Prasad, are you there today by any chance? Prasad M, I think. Okay, he didn't join. Oh, you are there. Okay, fine. So I think you would have received, like, we checked the confirmation. We just want your number. Okay, so email us your number so that we will add you on the backend. Okay, right. Now, all of you see here. Now, this Jenkins is like a, you can consider like a tunnel. Okay, a Jenkins is like a tunnel. Okay, where your code is flowing. Okay, where was your code, guys? Your code was in GitHub. It started flowing like this. Are you guys understanding? Your code was in GitHub, right? In some branch, your code started flowing into multiple tunnels or channels. Okay. Now, when the code is coming here, it moves from here, it moves from here, moves here, 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 here. Finally, the users are able to access the website. Now, current deployment pattern for our website is also the same. Okay, I'll be telling you. Okay. Now, all of you tell me. Okay, sure. Sridhar, we will discuss about the batch 12. So please wait. Once this is completed, we will discuss about that also. Okay. You don't share anything. No, no, don't worry. Don't need to be sorry. You don't need to share your email ID or anything. We will discuss. Okay. Now, all of you tell me one interesting component in Jenkins is that it is capable of having the tools integrated. Okay, you can integrate as many as tools you want. Jenkins is like a friend of all DevOps tools. So guys, please try to understand the first tool which got integrated with Jenkins is GitHub. The second tool is SonarQube. The third tool is Checkmarks. The fourth tool is Maven. The fifth tool is JFrog. The sixth tool is Ansible. Okay, sorry. Docker. The seventh tool is Ansible. The eighth tool is Kubernetes. The ninth tool, let's say like cloud deployments or something happens, and you have monitoring, Prometheus and Grafana. Now, all of you tell me. Yes, Divya, that will be helpful. Okay. Now, all of you tell me how many tools have been integrated here in the stack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my one Jenkins is capable of holding 10 tools together. You guys agree? Now, let's say from the transportation, right, from the supply chain, the procurement application is coming. All of you, listen here. The procurement application is coming to CI/CD, and the code is flown over multiple compartments and finally deployed onto user platform. And whenever you go to the shop, do you see a billing counter? They barcode, they scan the barcode, and just they scan the barcode, the details get entered into the system. Yes, you have seen, right? How that is happening with software, right? When you put, it's a software, some code, Python code, Java code, which scans your barcode and ultimately takes the data and prints it on the system, right? So in the same way, the procurement application is also doing some kind of activities in the backend where users are coming and it is showing the procurement details, vendor details, or whatever the details they want. Now, all of you tell me, in DevOps, I told you everything is being hosted in which platform? All these tools are hosted in which platform? Linux. Okay. You take GitHub, you take Sonar, Checkmarx, Maven, JFrog, any tool in the world, damn world you take, they all are deployed onto the Linux system only. And that is why I told you yesterday, if you want to do any hands-on, if you want to experience anything, you have to make sure you know Linux. Okay. Now, in product companies, in any company, all these tools will be in single servers. Clear, everyone? They will be separated. Okay. They will be separately handled. Okay. So GitHub is separate, SonarQube is separate, Checkmarx is separate, Maven is separate, JFrog is separate, Docker is separate, Ansible is separate, Kubernetes is separate. All are separate tools, separate servers, separate Linux servers. And some companies have separate support teams also. Let's say when I was working in Walmart, the SonarQube team was completely separate. Anyone has like that in your office? Let's say Kubernetes team is completely separate. Yes? No, you don't have? Anyone else? Like, no? Yes. Few are yes, few are no. Correct? So, like in Walmart, we have a separate team. So, any request to the SonarQube, you have to send an email or raise a Jira ticket. That's a waste of time. Correct? Why you want to raise a ticket, wait for one day, let them come? Like, I don't understand, but that's the process. In Verizon, we didn't had. We used to manage the end-to-end cycles. Okay, now you tell me, very interestingly, the DevOps tools have two things in common. Any idea? What are the two things? Every DevOps tool has two things in common. What is that? One is commands, one is configuration. Please write down. What is that? One is commands, the other one is configuration. Please write down. I'm just stopping my screen share 1 second. Okay. Okay. Yes. The commands and the configurations remains same for all the systems. Okay. So how do you analyze that? How do you work on that? Very, very important. Please see here, all of you. For example, let's say I am taking Jenkins. What it is? It is a CI/CD tool. What does that mean? Continuous integration and continuous deployment. It means, suppose you want to deploy your application very quickly, you can do it. If you want your application to be deployed within seconds or minutes, you can do it with CI/CD. So that's what continuous integration means. In the GitHub, you have your code. Okay. Once you process your code, the Jenkins will automatically pick your code and deploy it. Jenkins will automatically pick your code, deploy it. So what did you understood? What did you understood? What did you understood? Ultimately, what you understood? What did you understood? It makes process automated. It makes implementation and deployment easier. Non-stop process. Beautiful. So whatever you are telling, I'm going to write it. You are telling Jenkins make non-stop process. Jenkins makes deployment easier. You are telling it makes faster deployments. Zero touch deployments also it's going to do it. What else? What else? 10 in one multitasking. Okay, this is good, Prithvi. Not only 10, multitasking. Okay, not only 10, many things are there. Seamless process with zero failures. Okay. What else? Automation. Continuous integration. That's the name. Right. So these all are advantages of Jenkins. Clear? Yes, it's easy to use. Definitely, it's easy to use. Now tell me, this Jenkins has a brain to know that who are its friends. Suppose I am telling, hey, Jenkins, be friend with JFrog. Will it be directly friend or it demands some things? What do you think? Suppose I say, hey, Jenkins, can you become friends with JFrog? Will it directly become friend or it demands some things? Correct. So it demands the configuration setup. Correct. Yes, obviously, any tool in this world, if they do, if both of them want to talk with each other, what they need? They need the configuration setup to be done. Okay. So now let's understand some things on the deeper dive. What are the configurations that Jenkins needs to talk with JFrog and JFrog needs to talk with Jenkins? And this similarity applies to all the DevOps tools. Clear? Shall we see? From here, the next concept starts for you. Configuration setup in Jenkins slash, please write down. Akshata, you didn't join yesterday class? After Jenkins, JFrog. Jenkins file. Okay. Let me talk again. Okay. Akshata, no issues. You will find out today. Okay. You are understanding things? Yes. Jenkins file. Okay, good. Now all of you please see here. How many of you didn't join like yesterday class? Okay, many of you didn't join and you are joining today. Okay, join today. I am from EST. Okay, Vijaya. Which location you are from? Singapore? What? Oh, USA. Huh? Okay. Yesterday and today only. Lipin, you joined yesterday, na? I know your name. Okay. I think you have done the LinkedIn post also. Somewhere I saw your name. I don't know. Yeah. I have to acknowledge few posts, so I will do it. Okay. Right. All of you see here, this is the 5 marks question. Okay. Now, the Jenkins needs commands and configuration. Correct? You are agreeing? All of you? The Jenkins needs the commands and execution, commands and configurations. Okay, so very, very interesting fact is we will discuss about this, how to design a Jenkins file, and whatever you tell to this file, this will run accordingly, right? So you have a computer with you. Whatever you type in the keyboard to the computer, it is doing that. Correct? Akshita, screen is visible to everyone. Please check from your end. Okay. So similarly, Jenkins file is like a keyboard to Jenkins or the motherboard to Jenkins. Whatever you write here, this guy will execute that. Suppose you say, hey, Jenkins, you become friends with JFrog. It will do that for you. Okay, basically configuration and commands both are needed. This topic is clear. Then I will show you the Jenkins file. Okay, Jenkins file is like the runner script, a script or a code which is used to run a Jenkins file. Clear? I will write for your convenience. Script or a runner file. Okay, script or a runner file. Clear? A script or a runner file. Can we see how this script or a runner file looks like? Yeah. Can we see? Okay. So all of you write down the topic. I will make this little bit bigger, bolder. Yeah, yesterday's class also, you will get an email. Okay. It's an automated email. Okay. Right. All of you see here, there are some steps. Okay. There are some commands. There are some, please change color with bold. Color, what color? Okay. Let's go with this. Little bit bold, you need. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Now, all of you see here, what did you understood? When you first saw this, what was your thought? When you first saw this, what was your thought? Any idea? Any guess? Blocks. Okay, some are telling JSON code, some are selling pipeline syntax. What do you think? Any idea? Configuration. Okay. Stages in pipeline. A template with Jenkins make. Structure. Jenkins pipeline script, which are stages. Commands for activation. Okay, so please write down. This entire code is called Groovy code. Clear? This entire code is called Groovy code. Okay. Now, one simple thing we will do it. Like all of you have done yesterday for me. Thanks a lot. So I want you all to please like this video. Looking to start a firm with. Okay. So what we will do is we will in 1 minute, as much as count we can get it, we will get it. Okay. So I'm just giving the link here. Please like the video. And yesterday, I mean, very beautiful comments people gave. Like I was very happy. Okay, like the efforts we keep it. Right. So whatever the comments you give, it's powerful, guys. Any idea? Like we were discussing, right? /18/16. So you see, like very good comments. Okay. So today also you can give comments once the class is completed. So you can like this video. I will wait for 1 minute. I will drink some water. As much as likes you can give it, you can give it. Okay. I have shared in my community also. So all total we will take. Guys, 30 more seconds. Both accounts. Thanks, brother. Okay, 30 more seconds. I will keep it here. Good explanation. Okay, great. Good explanation. Declarative pipeline, Jenkins pipeline, Groovy code, block of code. Coding means who do to do coding, or we need to do coding. We need to do coding sometimes. Okay, Nitin. Hi, Praveen. Thanks for the live session. Demands something. Okay, great. Vijaya, we will discuss at the end. Okay, just stay.
How will you up IT into reality in seconds?
Okay, last 30 seconds. Anna sent yesterday notes and cheat sheet. I will tell you where that notes are. Okay, last 30 seconds. Go ahead and you can do our help. Fantastic concept of CI/CD pipeline. Share Shifa Khan. Okay. Scripted pipeline with groovy automation. Nice. Okay, great. So let's come back to this concept. Okay. So I will tell you a theory now to remember this. Okay. What each component is doing, I will tell you. I will start from bottom to up. Please see here, guys. So what we saw till now, Jenkins is having various tunnels, correct? Tunnel 1, tunnel 2, tunnel 3, tunnel 4. How these tunnels are getting created? Yes, correct, Raghav. That's true. This tunnel 1 is this under stages, plural. You have a singular stage. Clear, everyone? This is called from the start to the end. This is called one stage. Clear, everyone? This stage is creating your tunnel. Make sense now? Stages, stage, steps, script. Under script, you write your code. Clear? Are you guys understanding? Yes? Any questions? Stages are creating tunnels. Yes, that's true. Stages are creating tunnels for us. Okay? Stages are creating tunnels. So if I have to create a stage 2, what will be that? Stages, stage, I will name like T2, stage T2. Under stage, you have scripts. You write some shell script or Python script and you close it. What is this denoting? Clear? Every stages, steps, correct. I forgot to write. I was thinking like what I forgot. Now, all of you tell me, is the code same for T1 and T2? For T1 and for T2, code same. Skeleton is same. Bhai, skeleton is same, na? Only what will change is this portion will change. This portion will change. Vishwas, for T1 and T2, the skeleton remains same. Only the code in the script block script will change. Yes. Okay. Clear? It's UAT. Sharath, it's UAT. Right? Now, once you have designed T1, this is T1, this is T2, and similarly, you have designed T3. What are this? These are mandatory components of a Jenkins file. Clear, everyone? What are the mandatory components? The 4 mandatory components. You write pipeline, you write agent, you write environment variables, you write parameters, then you start stages. Now, in total, the Jenkins file will look like this for you. Pipeline, agent, environment, parameters, stages, stage, steps. What is that? Script. Under this, script, and close the block. Clear? This is the mandatory code for every Jenkins file. Now tell me, is your brain braining? I am explaining in very simple terms, guys, but it's complex. Okay. There are some scenarios also, like every Jenkins file has a scenario. It's not that much easy, but I'm trying to make sure you understand this in a very, very easy manner, so that any interview you can tell in the easy manner. Don't buy hard. Yes, it's braining. Okay, so very beautiful thing is all the Jenkins file are same, but there are scenarios in Jenkins file. Similarly, next week you will come na Saturday, Sunday at 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Next week, Saturday, Sunday classes are there. It will be scheduled on your website itself. You will receive an email also. If you are not receiving also, come to the website, join how the same way you joined today. Okay. Next week, you will see the complete integration of each tool we will do. Okay. Today you are seeing like some things we are doing here and there, here and there. Next week, you will see the complete integration of tools. That will be more maza, more deeper concepts understanding we will go, more scenarios. Yes, correctly. Right. Every Saturday, Sunday. Next week also you have Saturday, Sunday, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. You can join, right? Correct. So you understood this, right? Now, if I have to draw a bigger picture, let's say I have a Jenkins file. I am passing this as an input to my Jenkins job. It is running the pipeline and the end product is getting deployed onto cloud. And that is people are accessing. Are you clear? Every company follows this. In place of Jenkins, some company use Bitbucket, TeamCity, GitLab. There are pipelines, okay? TeamCity pipeline, Bitbucket pipelines, GitLab pipelines, right? Jenkins pipelines. Wherever I worked, 100% we are using Jenkins pipeline. If I have to show you on this one, okay, all of you see here. Okay. Okay, let's understand. This is 4 to 8 years of experience, Walmart Global Tech India. What are the tools you are seeing? Guys, all of you. What tools you are seeing? CI/CD, Ansible, Docker, Chef, Gradle, Jenkins. Jenkins is there? Yes, correct. If I come down a little bit, if you see here, 3 to 6 years, CI/CD and DevOps experience, Python experience, Gradle experience, CI/CD, Jenkins, Eclipse, Git, Maven. Same everywhere they have repeated same. So definitely anyone who is joining batch 12, I am writing to you to let you all know that all the company's tech stacks are same and we are targeting the same tools, whatever the company is demanding from a candidate. Clear, everyone? Yes, Python, Bash, whatever you are seeing here, we are going to target. Clear? So if you see here, anywhere like DevOps tech stack, CI/CD, cloud infrastructure, Jenkins, these all things are there. In Walmart, these all things are there. In batch 12, I'm going to give you all the interview questions, my Python coding, my what you say, like resumes, so that you can clear interview. Any interview you have to clear under my guidance. Okay. In that way, I will make you. Now tell me, have you understood about these concepts till now? We have done so many things from top to bottom. Yes. Now, what is the important thing for today? We have to do Linux hands-on also. Correct? Till now, you have understood about the... Okay, my water bottle is like water is empty. Shall we do Linux hands-on now? Are you ready? Yes.
Marketing tactics.
Shall we start? Okay. Right. Now, I actually, whenever I do a live session, I have one theory which I follow. So basically, on YouTube, I want to see some smileys. Okay, if you are ready for the Linux hands-on, I'm giving you this link. All of you see here. Right. What we will do is, right, here, all of you in the chat section, any smileys, okay? We are going to do Linux hands-on. I'm going to give you the documents. So let's do that. Play now. I'm going to share you this. Please go ahead and show me in the chat any type of smiley. Okay, any type of smiley you want to give to me, whether this class was good, like any good smileys you want to give it. I will tell 1, 2, 3, and let's start that game. Okay. I will see if my phone is able to record some things. Okay, right. Okay, great. So 1, 2, 3, go ahead with your smileys. Okay, great. Okay, what else new smileys you have? Okay, Shantanu, Prithvi, Anchor Talkis, Hisam, Sulochana, Monica. Okay. Okay, Rhythm Unbound, Jyoti, Limra, Mohammed Shoaib, Fareen Nas, Buddy Stock, Shantanu, Deepika. Nice explanation for freshers. Okay, good. Some different smileys I am looking for. Bhaskar, Kiran, Ankur, Lipin. In batch 12, which CI/CD tool? See, he is asking batch 12 here. We are playing smiley game now. Rahim Basha. Salam alaikum. Raghavendra, Prithvi, Vanshaj, Gautam, MPR creates. Karnam Gajendra. Okay. On YouTube, guys, you are giving me on the Zoom. I am okay. On YouTube, I need. See, I'm giving you YouTube link. Okay. I'm just making your worriness relax. Okay. Just relax for some time. Okay. We will start that. I will give you the document with steps. Okay. Basically. Abhishek Prasad. Okay. Okay. This is a new smiley, yaar. This one. I never listened DevOps in my 20 years of experience. It's great to hear. Okay. Vijay. Okay. Jyoti. Okay. Stay from rising COVID. Yes. You are a DevOps legend who explain concepts like a spoon feed. Okay. I am working on Oracle Cloud application for last 2 years. Okay. Jobs are not less. Jobs are there. Okay. Jobs are there. It's just that you have to hunt for it. शेर जब जाता है, it will hunt, right? It will not wait for the opportunity. It will hunt. Correct.
Few websites slow but free.
Okay, great. So let's come to the Linux hands-on now. Okay, you guys can like the video also and encourage me to do more such content. Okay. Now I will stop my screen share. Let's go over the document, which you will be getting onto the screen right away. Just 1 second. Beautiful. Now, ready? I'm sharing my screen. Any document which you are finding under this course, this free DevOps course, okay? Those are not downloadable. Any documents that you are finding under batch 12, they all are downloadable. Clear, everyone? Makes sense? So let's do one by one. Guys, all of your eyes on the screen. Okay. Now, you have seen yesterday the commands we have gone through. Now we will see how to do that step by step, step by step, step by step. Clear? Now, user and group management, create a user called DevOps user, add them to a group called DevOps team. Okay. So how do you do it? Create a user DevOps with what command? Wherever you see the bold color, that is your Linux command. Clear? In the next week, I will show you the cloud terminology. Okay. But if you have any Linux system, if you have any AWS console or GCP console or your Azure console, you can go ahead and do this hands-on. All of you see here how to create a user. Chirant, screen is shared. How to create a user, guys? How to create a user? User add the username. Okay, user add username. How to create a group? Group add group name. Chiran, check from your side. Okay. Now, add DevOps user to group. So wherever you see a dot, it's a step. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Are you getting? Wherever you see a bold, that's a command you have to execute on the terminal. Clear? I am giving everything spoon feeding to you. Are you guys understanding things? Everything in my batch also, it will be like spoon feeding for you. It's a complex things to write 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 to make everyone understand. But it's like spoon feeding. You just execute the steps. You see the amazing things. Okay. So you see next step, SSH login. How to log in into the system? How do you log in into your Windows machine? Guys, how do you log in into your Windows machine? Windows machine. How do you log in? How do you log in? Entering password. Similarly, for Linux, you have a password. But basically, if certain steps you want to do, all of you see here. Yesterday, did we discuss about etc? What we told? etc is a configuration folder, correct? We told about this. Now you see here, you go into this folder. In this file, suppose you created a user called DevOps user. You created a group called DevOps team. Now you don't want this DevOps user to have login access. So for every user, what is the configuration file? This one. You go to this file and say like deny user username. You see? All of you are able to see? Deny user, when I'm giving, this user will not be able to log in into the screen. So these are some steps. If you feel it is hectic, you can exclude this. Clear? So let's see. File and directory management, did you saw yesterday? Yes? Now, all of you see here. Create a directory. How do you create a directory? The command is mkdir. How to create a file? Touch. In the Linux cheat sheet, if you have seen, did you saw all these commands already there? Like touch, make directory. Yes, chmod, permissions, correct? ls, rwx, you would have seen there. If you are following my class from yesterday, you would have seen. And already the screenshots are added, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so step by step, Step by step, all the data is given, okay, along with GitHub repository. Beautiful. Sounds beautiful. So what you have to do assignment is that you have to practice this. Clear, all of you? It's a very good, huge document with the GitHub links with the hands-on content. Okay, take any Linux system. If you are not able to do it next week, I will do some things for you. Very simple. It will hardly take my 10 minutes of time. But what I want is you try first. You understand this document first and come back to me with struggles. Everyone clear? Make sense? It starts with very basic things. It goes with very complex scenarios. I am expecting each one of you to become a fighter for Linux because Linux is the fundamental unit of the DevOps. Mac OS terminal, you can do it. For example, all of you see here, let's say I have a Mac user, Mac terminal. This is my laptop. So sometime, okay, it's not giving this user ad. Okay, I was thinking it will give me. Rest all commands, it will work like ls-lrta, okay, mkdir test folder, chmod. I don't know why user add is not working. Maybe they have disabled it. User add test. Okay, user add command is not there. Group add. Okay, the commands are not there. So probably, okay, let me check. No. Add user. Okay, maybe they would have given add user the data. No, it's not. Okay. Now, all of you see here. That's fine. We will not do all those things. Now, all of you see here. Have you heard about VMs, virtual machines? Yes, all of you have heard. Now, what I am going to tell you is, if you are comfortable, install any virtual machine on your laptop. It will hardly take 5 minutes of your time. Just search for virtual machine download, or you can take any in the Google. You go ahead and take any free Linux terminals. So in Google, there are many Linux. Okay, so you can take any one lab and you can continue your data. I am also exploring. Okay, it's like it's taking a lot of time. Let's see. Okay, it's asking me to continue. Let's see tutorials point. Okay. Okay, it's better to take some Linux system because I have not touched cloud. I'll be not going ahead in deeper way for today, but I hope this document is making you sense. Yes. Is it making sense to you? Like what you have to do as part of your assignment? All of you clear? Complete this. If you face any issues, don't worry. We will again do the troubleshooting for this, right? Now, I see that yesterday, I will take your attendance in a little bit of time. Okay. Now, all of you tell me one question I'm going to ask you. Yesterday, 10 people have joined for the Thursday session in batch 12, right? So I have 10 more people to come with me, right? And I know that many of you have emailed us stating that Praveen, uh, batch 12 seats are there or not, right? This is what we have got it. So what I'm going to tell you all is, if anyone who has not enrolled for 10 seats, you guys can do it now. And you can let me know your name so that I can check and confirm your seat, right? So anyone who is interested for batch 12, 10 seats I have, yes, you can go ahead and enroll now and let me know your name. I will wait for you. And in this course, we are having 14 projects. I'm going to create each one's resume for you. Okay. I'm going to give you different templates. I'm going to give you my Infosys resume, my Walmart resume, my Verizon resume, my interview questions, my way of mock interviews, and project roles and responsibilities also I'm going to give you. Whatever the projects you are seeing here, 14 projects, I'm going to give you the roles and responsibilities also. Yes. Yeah. So anyone who is interested for batch 12, you can go ahead and enroll now. Okay. And let me know your name. I'll be waiting today to show you some company data, which I've already shown you. We will talk about DevOps labs. Yesterday also we have seen. So these all things you are going to get. Okay. So please go ahead and do it. In the meanwhile, I will just check some things for you guys. Yes. Once you enroll, you can let me know your name. And whatever the way you have seen, right? Everything is like next level learnings in batch 12. For your information, again, I am repeating, whatever you are seeing in this class, in batch 12, we will start everything fresh. Everything from basics to advanced, we are going to cover. Let's say if interviewer asks some cross questions, we are going to get ready for that also. Okay, for 4250, 70% off. Okay, Sharath has enrolled. Great. Guys, quickly, I want 10 people to be with me, because for this 20 people, I'm going to do a guidance session on Thursday. Only for 20 people, those who have enrolled yesterday and today. Okay, right. Yesterday and today, no issues. Yes. Go ahead. I'm just waiting for few more people. Only for 9 people, I think I am waiting. So on the YouTube also, we will take some comments. Yes.
So you just mentioned that you want.
Okay. So any questions? Doc of Linux is in the website itself. Okay. Rahim limited batch. We want to focus on everyone, right? So please make sure you are taking. Unable to see this document. This document will be in the website, Koila. Okay. Kolipalli, Priyanka. In batch 12, weekly classes and 3 sessions per week. Yes, you can join Vijaya. See, all of you see here, I will tell you, those who are from USA and all, what you can do is, you can book your seat. While booking, you can opt for a recorded videos also. So what will happen is, you will get the live sessions as well as recorded videos also of the previous batch. If you are searching for a job, if you are taking this, it will be good for you, because you will have the access to learn on your own. Okay. And at the same time, you will have the access for batch 12 content also. Okay, 9 slots are left. Guys, can you give me a name if anyone is interested to enroll? Can you give? And for your information, today, this coupon code will be expired once this session is ended. Okay, so only for 10 people, like, this coupon code is applicable. So once you see, the price will be increased after today's session. So it's up to you guys how you want to decide and go. Okay, so 4250, we are giving the cost as of now. Okay, 10 people I am looking for. Please give your name. I'm trying to enroll for batch 11 with coupon code, but I'm unable to see the one-to-one session block with you. Oh, okay. Del, are you from outside country, outside India? Yes or no? No, right? You will be able to see. Just take this link I'm giving you. Okay. And on the YouTube also I'm giving. Every classes will be on Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. Yes, batch 12 recordings you are going to get if you are enrolling for batch 12. Okay, so you can see here, batch 12 recordings are available. Timings, every Saturday, Sunday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. It's a morning batch. Every week you are going to get assignments also. Very beautifully, I have designed this course. Each one of you, see here for Jenkins, how many things are there? Groovy code, webhook setup, merge request concepts, trigger pipeline, GitHub branching strategy, hands-on, SonarQube, quality gates, auto version. How do you create a version in your app? If you see Docker, you are going to see complete Docker advanced concepts. If you see Python, Python automations, lists, tuples, syntax, Python code, you will be able to do it. Kubernetes, if you see, Kubernetes security, custom resource definition, operators, networking, 𝐲𝐿𝐵𝐵𝐿, Jaeger, traffic flow, pods troubleshooting, dashboards, walkthrough, webhook setup. Akshata, it depends. Okay. If you see AWS or Terraform, you see advanced concepts like security layer of AWS, network address translations, S3 Glacier, all the things will be on the very important sites where you can enroll. Right? Okay, last 9 people. Anyone who is enrolling 4.course session, is this batch 12 with no, Priyanka, batch 12, batch 4 is very old. Yes, enrollment link I am giving here. You can just click on it and it will directly take you. Enter your name, enter your email, enter your number, use the early bird coupon. If you need this, you can select. If you need one-to-one mentorship, you can select and you can enroll. Guys, batch 12 is all about your advanced Azure and AWS concepts. Both will be included. I'm looking for 9 more people to be with me. For your information, Thursday, all these people will have one session with me. Okay, where I am going to guide from the day one itself what you are going to do. Batch 11, Kumar Abhishek, that is not possible. All the enrollments are one time only. Let's say if you have not opted yesterday, these two things we cannot give you, but we will try. What you can do is you can reach out to this with your registered mobile number. We can help you with one slot. Okay. Yes, India, you can ask your query. Okay, anyone, do we really require batch 11 recorded videos? Rahim, it's up to you. If you want to go with your own pace, you can take it. It's up to you. Okay. So these all are the concepts which you are going to see, right? No, Thursday, I will tell you the time. So don't worry. Thursday, if it is not Thursday, it will be in the same week, any time, any day, we will intimate you. Okay. Right. On the YouTube, please. Yes, all the recordings will be available. Muskan Batra has enrolled just now, right? So Muskan, thank you for believing in me. Just trust the process, right? I'm going to make sure you guys are getting the best things from my end, right? So 8 more people, I'm giving the link again. Okay, so I'm going to tell last 8 slots are left for you. You can come with me, okay? You can understand various kinds of things. 8 slots are there. Yes, Vishal. So if you see some placement stories, I'm going to show you. All of you see here. this is the way you will learn with me. Okay. Every student here is saying their own story, how they have cracked Microsoft, right? See, two times people are enrolling with us, batch 8 and batch 9. Okay. And people are very much dedicatedly learning things. If you see, in office, some people are studying. In office, I started studying your course, sir, right? So people say that they don't have the Python knowledge. Python is 100% important, but people are learning in our batch. Sounds interesting, right? So you see here how I teach Python also. You see this screenshot, you see black one, right? I divide everything step by step. I tell Kiar, this is the way, this is the way, people remember everything and execute it in the interview. Okay. So anyone who is enrolling, tell me your name. I have 8 slots with me, right? Please go ahead and let me know your name. Okay. Who are enrolling? Please let me know your name. On the YouTube, batch 12 recorded videos will also be available. Okay. Batch 12 recorded videos will already be available. No issues. Okay. Yes. Karnam. Good. Thanks. Got it. Okay. On the Zoom side, whoever is enrolling, can you let me know your name? Another 5 minutes, we will be here. Can you let me know your name, please? Quickly, guys. Yes, Rohit, it's considered. Satyavani, Dinesh, Abdul Mafiz, Abhishek. No, batch 12 recorded videos only will be available in the website once the live is completed. Motinad said, yes. Motinad, we got it. Rajesh, done. Yes, you have done. Raviteja, done. Sure. Hands-on PDF in the website itself. Yes, Suman, done. No issues. Abhishek Negi, Amit Swami, Anup, Anurag, Bhavya Tyagi, Sneha. Okay. Amit, Anup, Arko. Arko, I have seen your name somewhere. Arko Chatterjee. Yes, in batch 12, both Azure and AWS will be covered with architecture design, system design. AI will not replace, yaar. Why are you worried about AI? You always tell AI, AI. Okay. Yes, Naveen, definitely. Okay, definitely. AI will not replace, bhai. Don't worry. Yes, Shantanu, yes, definitely. Prasad, Prasad, are you there? Hope you have emailed our team with your number, right? Because you opted for different thing, right? Yes. Okay, you did. No? Okay. Last 7 people are there, guys. 7 slots. Meanwhile, what I will do is I will just show you some job opportunities which are there on LinkedIn. Okay. Just you see here how amazingly people are posting about jobs. How I asked referral. I will show you some referral templates also. Meanwhile, I'm looking for 7 more people to be with me in the Thursday class. Okay. Thursday, separate invites will be sent to you. Timing and days, Moti, um, every Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. Okay. Okay. Last 7 slots. My bad. Okay. So I'm going to update this slots here. Okay. And today is the final time to avail this offer, right? Early bird, which you are seeing here with a coupon. Rahim Basha. You are you are in the Zoom also, you are in the YouTube also. Didn't get on website. What is that, Dinesh? Okay, let's see some jobs here. How the current market scenario are there. PDF, it's uploaded, Dinesh. Today's PDF I will upload in a little bit of time. Okay. So, okay, now I will take some names out. Those who have confirmed me that they are enrolling with me. Okay. Raghav, can you please ping here in the Zoom chat? Can you please ping here in the Zoom chat, if you don't mind? Okay, all of you, any participant? Yeah, so Suman, by third week mostly. Please ping again. Rahim Basha, done. Yes. All these jobs, whatever you are seeing, all will have same tech stack which you are seeing in the batch 12. For example, if I take senior Linux and cloud platform DevOps engineer for SAP, the package, the employee benefits of SAP is extremely good. I have offer with me. So see here, Azure, AWS, multi-cloud people are asking. Linux OS issues. What else they are asking? Yeah, you see here, Google, Azure, LDAP, DNS, which we have seen still in batch 12, little bit depth. GitHub Actions for CI/CD, Jenkins is fine. Python shell scripting, same tech stack in every class. Yeah, same tech stack. Batch 12, morning batch. Okay. Batch 12 is morning batch. Okay, now I want people names. 7 people who want to enroll. Can you give your name on the chat? Only 7 people. Then we will focus and we will move you to the next step. Okay. Timings of batch 12, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Close, right? Okay. 7 people, those who are willing to enroll now. Those who have enrolled, your name is already in the list. Deepika, yes, don't worry, right? Don't worry, your name is in the list. Okay, 7 people name, those who are yet to do payments. Okay, Sharath, batches will be 1 batch only, people will be there. Okay. Course duration, 2 to 3 months. 2 months plus only. Okay, guys, now I want your names. Okay, if you give me name, it will be good. Moti, what is your question? I forgot. Notifications on emails are there, Moti. If you are not getting also website, you can join. Praveen, would you consider if you have time 8 a.m. to 11 a.m.? No, not like that. Okay, Vijaya, it's 9 a.m. to 12. Okay, so people from USA also join. So that's why you took the recorded also, na? It will be good for you. Okay, it will be good for you. Now let's see some other job option here. Some good company. Coinbase, staff SRE. This is a big role. We will exclude it. This is my role. Senior partner engineer. Okay, Cisco. Okay, all of you see here, Cisco. What is the job opportunity? CentOS, Linux, Python, shell scripting, Terraform, Ansible, automation, production support. Same IP tables, TCP, OpenSSL, SSL certificates, TCP, DNS. Okay, beautiful. Now you see, yesterday we have discussed about this, and yesterday I have given you the assignment also to check on these names. Excellent troubleshooting and all those things. Are you guys seeing? Okay, it's a technical leader. Disha. Oh, recruiter name is also there. Okay, sorry. Last class cheat code of Linux. Whatever the document was given, it's uploaded in the portal itself, brother. Okay, please check. Please check, it will be available. Okay. DevOps engineer, Amazon. Guys, you want this link? Anyone? 1+ year of experience. Okay. Karnataka. Guys, 1+ years of experience. Please apply. If anyone wants to apply, please. Yes, Vishnu, all the sessions are live sessions of batch 12. Okay. All the sessions are live sessions. Okay. Right. Sir, what if we have doubts on working on Linux? You can always reach out to our chat platform, right, which is there. I will check some more jobs. Okay, NVIDIA, DevOps engineer, DFX software. Three plus years of experience as your age. Guys, how many of you are 3 years here? Please apply to this opportunity. NVIDIA, the highest amount of stock value. If you see NVIDIA stock price. Oh, why? What happened? It got reduced, huh? Okay, I was thinking it's having the largest value. When it got downfall, 138. Microsoft. Yeah, indeed, good opportunity to buy. Microsoft is always here like 500. That's why people who work in Microsoft, they earn more money because of this stocks. Yes, same. Raghav, that's correct. Okay. Okay. Chitrant, leave it. Okay. If you are not able to see, leave that. Okay. No issues. You can focus on the documents that are available. 2018 passed out, fresher knowledge about AWS Azure networking Jenkins. If I join later, how much referral? See, referral, we are going to provide the guidance, how you can ask for. Correct, ma'am? So that is there always. Okay. Any other company you want to see the stocks? Okay. Any other company you want to see the package? You want me to show you for a particular company, what is the package, what is the tech stack? You want to see anything? Or you want to see, show me for these only? Arista Networks, you see, DevOps and SRE engineer, same tech stack. Okay, last 6 people, guys. Last 6 people. 6 slots are there with early bird open. Okay. If you are able to enroll, I am outside India, it's showing different price. Yes, please, Sagar, outside people India, because we are maintaining server cost, stack cost. So you can go ahead with that. Batch 7 student, how to avail the offer? Batch 7, see, very less price only, Anish, right? It's not more also. You can go ahead and do it. Definitely. Your current working company stock price. You want to know, huh? I'm not working. Okay. So if you see Arista Networks also same roles for 5 years of experience. Same. Okay. Google stock price. Yeah, let's see. It's also less. Hexaware is good. I don't think they have a stocks or anything. I don't think so. Yeah, they probably don't have. I'm currently in the summer break of BTech, now going to final year. Brother, Mongati Pranav Raj, great man. Fresher can expect anything around 3 to 5, 6 LPA. Definitely. 100%. Okay. I'll be 2026 graduate. I have knowledge about AWS Jenkins, only one project. Where should I apply for internship? Shantanu, internships are less as of now. Correct. So the best thing what we can plan is anywhere where you get a free work to do. NVIDIA link you need. Okay, this one. Anyone who is 3 years of experience, please apply to NVIDIA job portal. Fight to get a job. Sure. Vijay, no issues, right? Okay. 7 year of gap, Mayur, it's difficult here. Okay. So I am not sure, but if you get anything, you can definitely check. Okay. Anyone who is enrolling, can you give your name? 5 people. 5 people. I'm looking for your name. Documents will be uploaded by 9 to 10 p.m. today. You can take the documents. You can do the hands-on, okay, in the website itself. Okay, 5 people names, guys. I'm looking for 5 people. Just give me your name so that I can take the attendance and then we can discuss some Q&A also. Okay. On YouTube, anyone who is interested to enroll with me. I don't know why you guys are thinking so much. To be honest, I'm giving at a very less cost. If you see any institute, if you go to any institute, you will be charged 6 times, 7 times of the cost, right? And you know, like how I teach. I'm 100% sure you know how I teach by now, right? In batch 12, I will give my 150%. Okay. You know, right, outside how much people are charging? Any idea on the chat? How much people are charging by any chance, you know? 20K, correct? Yes, 58K. Some people are telling 50K. Okay. Yes, 20 to 35K. But I am charging, I mean, very less. You will understand. My intention is to provide, because I am also coming from your background only. No money, nothing. Like, if you see the passion, if you see for the free course also, I put my 100% until I am teaching, right? But when I'm talking, it will be like different thing. But when I'm teaching, I will keep my 100% care. You are able to understand what I'm talking. Correct? 30,000. Definitely people are charging so much, right? So what my ask for you, for 5 people, take the step and come and join with me. Okay. So one last call, I'm going to make it. If you are ready to accept that call, well and good. Okay. This will be the final call for 5 people, right? You give your name and we are going to close this. If you are not interested, we will continue with the next things. Okay. 5 people, final call. I'll not ask again. Time is now 7:57. I will wait till 8 p.m. and we can close this. Yeah, meetup for batch 12 will be in August. Okay, August, mostly in August. This time I'm planning in Google. If we get a space in Google, we will plan that. Okay, so 5 people, I'm getting the names here. One is Sharath. Okay, Rahul, Durga. 2 Durgas are there. Okay, right. So go ahead and do it. We will wait for next 2 minutes. Okay, definitely. Yeah. Any questions, by the way, others, any questions you have? Any queries, any questions? Any doubts? So those who have tagged me on LinkedIn, today I will reply. Okay, I think, yeah, Lipin has done. So I am getting so many, what you call, like, notifications. I'll go one by one. Recorded sessions are also there, Moti. Once the live session is completed, recordings will be given on the same day. Neela Raju, what's your question? Okay, Sai, market is good, yeah. You already saw my LinkedIn profile, right? See, jobs are there. Fourteen years of experience Anup is having in oil and gas project planning role. See, Anup, I am very straightforward. You are working in a IOCL or some HPCL, whatever the things you are doing, right? See, complete transition is difficult, obviously. So what my question to you is, if you are willing to learn, then it will be good, right? So you are 14 years, you should be a manager above role itself, right? So it hardly takes your one weekend amount only, right? If you spend like one weekend amount only, it will take. Okay, now let's open some chat Q&A. Okay, so Rahim, it will be probably on the third week. Okay, so date is yet to get finalized, but third week only mostly. Okay, but till then you have some prerequisites which you have to complete in the website, right? Which I'll be telling on the Thursday. Yes, Virish, you can learn, definitely. You can learn. 100% you can learn. I am unable to tag to LinkedIn profile. You have to give @payment, @Praveen. I have 1 year of experience on cloud implemented serverless. Hi, can you reply? But I don't have an experience letter. Neela, that's fine. If you don't have an experience letter, that's fine. But I would suggest you get a NOC from the company, right? No objection certificate, where on a bond paper, you are telling that Neela Raju has worked for this company for whatever the time as a DevOps engineer. Okay. Clear, Neil Raju? Will you be able to do it? Because you don't have an experience letter, but you worked in a company, get the NOC letter from them. Okay. Vishnu, thanks a lot. Right. Offer letter also they have not provided. Then how, what we can do? You don't have offer letter, you don't have experience letter, then what we will do? Correct. I am not sure, Neela. Okay. So in that case, I am definitely not sure. Okay. See, guys, Amazon is hiring a good DevOps roles. What I'm assuming is they are looking for only Linux engineers for 2+ years of experience. This one. Check in the website, Moti. Whatever is there, it will be there. Okay, check. I have given the Amazon link also. You can apply. Sure, Deepika. No issues. Yeah. Okay. Right. So I will be taking your attendance. Just 1 second. Okay. So those who want to drop, you can drop off. The documents will be uploaded today. Right. You can do the hands-on from the website. And yesterday's documents are already uploaded. Okay. So you can check that. Right. Okay. Attendance is done. If you don't have any questions, you can drop off. I will talk with the batch 12 enrolled people. Okay. If you don't have any queries, you can drop off. Attendance is done, right? So yeah, those who have enrolled, guys, keep an eye on your email. Okay. There will be a Google Meet link for Thursday. Okay. Thursday, sometime we will plan it in the evening only, not in the morning. Now, when you are coming to the Thursday session, right, what you have to do is basically get a notebook for me, new 500 pages notebook. Clear? Are you guys understanding what I'm telling? Those who have enrolled for batch 12, guys. Yes, right. Those who are done with today, you can drop off from the class. Okay, please drop off from the class. Only the 15 people, those who have enrolled, stay. Rest all you can drop off. Okay, and on YouTube also, you can drop off if you don't have any queries. Right. Now, bring a 500 pages notebook on Thursday. Clear? Makes sense, right? White book Thursday, get a very good book and a pen, right? Normal. The plan I will tell you for the first 15, like you guys have enrolled, right? So what the plan, how you have to prepare, how you have to go, how you have to learn, what is the plan, right? I will take your queries also. Like Thursday, whoever has given your email IDs, if you have given wrong email IDs, then I cannot help. Okay, because I know that website is login, right? Website is having a phone number login, right? So just keep in mind. Okay. Clear? Done. Suman Arora, Suman Mora. Okay, done. Okay. So please say about the skill set that we can add in our resume after this course. See, you can add DevOps and SRE both, Prithvi. Okay. If not an email received, we'll be able to join through the web. No, website, it's not there. Okay. It's a separate session. We will handle separately. Okay, so if you see here, this will be the final announcement. All of you see here, there is an early bird coupon, okay, which is applicable for 5 people, right? And once this 5 slots are completed, it will be coming to some different cost. Okay, so if you are willing to enroll from anywhere in the world or country or India, please enroll by the 5 slots are there. This coupon code will be automatically disabled once the 5 enrollments are done. So 20 people, you can come with me on Thursday. Keep an eye on your emails. Okay. So whoever wants to enroll, you can do it. Right, Shantanu? In email, we will send. I have to plan some things on the backend. So I'll plan and update accordingly. Okay. Right. So thanks a lot for joining today's session. I hope you have liked it. Right. Only 15 are done. So 5 more I am looking for. If anyone is interested, you can come and join with me. Okay. Right. And once you see the coupon code is changed, it means the 5 slots are completed. Okay. So assume that if you see the coupon code is different, price is changed, expired, anything is you see, it means for the Thursday session, the slots are full. We will discuss with that people itself. Okay. Right. Great. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next class next weekend, right? All the documents will be uploaded in the portal itself. You can check that. And this will be the link. Okay. Right. Okay. Why you guys are still on meeting? I asked you all to drop off, right? Okay. Anyone who has any queries with respect to documents, please check in the website. Documents will be there. Okay. Please check. Documents will be there. Okay. Right. Thanks a lot for joining, guys. Right. And I will be waiting for 5 more people to come in. If you have enrolled also, you can refer to your college friends. Tell them that how I teach, right? How was my experience meeting MS Dhoni? It was good, brother. I mean, it's a lifetime memory. Okay. So that's what, like, Dhoni sir is, he is very cool, as everyone say. And like, I even asked him to get her. I mean, I asked, like, Dhoni sir, can you please bring Sakshi ma'am and your kid next time for the event? He said, yeah, yeah, hopefully I will get it, something like that. So I was like, okay, he's really cool. Like, and I asked him pictures. I asked him, like, a sign on the t-shirt. He said, if I give you sign, everyone will ask. I said, please, sir, please. I said, please, sir, please, 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 sir, give the sign. He said, no. So I was like, okay, fine. So he has a diehard fan. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So thanks a lot. We'll meet you in the next class. Please take care and bye. Keep an eye on the YouTube, because some mock interviews I will be uploading, which I have done, right? So it will give you a great experience. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Please take care. We'll meet you in the next session. Bye.